there are 3 things that you must provide when you're stopped by ICE or any law enforcement officer while you're driving your car. That is your license, registration, and proof of insurance. Of course, do not lie or provide false documents. But also, you need to understand that if then they start asking you, excuse me, where were you born? Are you a U.S. citizen? You should not answer those questions because they're not proper questions to ask in a stop. And again, if they ask you to search your vehicle, you need to tell them very clearly, I do not consent to a search of my vehicle. And then you can just tell them that, if they start searching, make that clear again. They still search, like I said, do not panic, do not get aggressive. Let them do what they're going to do. Aside from telling them that they don't have a right to search you and providing the 3 documents, don't answer any other questions. So what if you're a passenger in a car? Even if the driver gives authority or gives consent for the ICE or law enforcement to search that vehicle, that doesn't give them the right to search you. Only you can give right to search you. So you can again say, I do not authorize that you search me. Remember, if you're detained by law enforcement, arrest or criminal charges could affect your immigration status. So it's very important to remain silent. You need to understand that you have a right to make a phone call and you have a right to have an attorney. And please, very critically, do not talk about your immigration information, status, or anything else with anyone other than your attorney.